All right, so this video is for assignment 5. Okay, the packet looks like this, mindset survey number 2. So now that we've been talking about growth mindset and fixed mindset versus growth mindset a few times, few days now, we want to give us a second survey. Okay. So if you go over here, I have some instructions. This video that I am posting, which I haven't mentioned in the other videos, is I'm adding the videos into the assignment here. And then if you scroll down, I also have a section of assignment videos. Okay, so you can see, you can access it two ways. Not sure which one would be easier for you. I'm trying to do what I can. Okay, page 1. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. So this is what I want you to do. So the directions say something a little different, but I want to know what you know, okay? So circle fixed mindset statements one color and circle growth mindset statements a different color. So we're going to here, get in my pre-made circles, okay? So if it's a fixed mindset, oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video, but I'm over in the snow and thunder. There's a big snowstorm coming. A lot of thunder and lightning going on right now. So if you hear anything in the background, that's probably what it is. I really want to go watch it, but instead I'm making the video for you guys. Because you are my priority. Okay, so do purple. So everyone has a capacity for learning. Some people have a higher capacity than others. Keyword set capacity. Okay, so if it's a fixed mindset, I'm going to make it purple. So I'm going to say that's a fixed mindset. If it's a growth mindset, I'll make it another one. Okay. Some people are good at certain subjects in school, and some people aren't. That sounds a bit fixed, right? As you could say. But mistakes are an important part of the learning process. Yeah, that's definitely growth. Oh, what color should I make that? Orange? Ugh. I like it when the colors kind of, go together a little bit. Is that too similar to purple? It's a bit similar. Now, it is true that some people are better in certain subjects and other people aren't, but that doesn't mean you can't get better at it. So for circling stuff for growth mindset, you want there to be a mention about growth. I guess I'll just make it green. In green, you should be. Okay. Mistakes are an important part of the learning process. Yes, everyone has something that they're just naturally good at. They don't have to work to be good at it. So we do have some natural talents, but that kind of mindset or thinking is fixed. Okay, let me give you another example of a growth mindset. And for that one, I'll say effort and attitude are just as important as natural talent. Okay, so having a good attitude and being willing to try and work to improve yourself is just as important, if not more important, than having a natural talent. Because if you have natural talent, you can get better. Okay. Okay, so those are the only ones I'm going to do for you. Again, with Google Read and Write, you can have these sentences be read aloud for you, okay? Let's see. So it says, did I read this one last in the other video? Your level of intelligence is set at birth. It is genetic. Okay. Challenges are opportunities for growth. Without them, learning doesn't happen. Okay. Grades are the most important part of school. Without the motivation of a good grade, why try? The important thing is to learn. So grades and the praise of others are just one component of learning. All right, so I read some of those. You can do with the Google Read and Write, it can talk for you. Is that what this one is? That's for me to talk, play. It's here somewhere. Is it this one? It's a dictionary. Okay. moving on to the next page. It's sideways, so I'm not going to draw on here. I don't know how to rotate it. I'd have to download it and rotate it and all that stuff. Oh no, can I do it? Look at this. Just kidding, I figured it out. Okay, page 2. Write words that make you think about success and then decorate the page. Okay, so things that make me think about success, and you can make them all different colors, right? I think success makes people, like, gives you good self-esteem, right? It's good for self-esteem. When people think about success, sometimes they think about what? Give you a hint, it's green. They think about money. And what else do people think of when they think about success, right? Maybe they think about degrees, right? Or continued education, right, after high school. Maybe to you, being successful means that you have a family, right? Maybe get married for some people. Those are stepping stones for success. Maybe you don't want to get married or have kids. But maybe you want to buy a house, right? So those are some examples, right? So decorate the page and then color this in, make it look cool, okay? And on the last page, it's for obstacles. You can go back here. It says, write words that make you think about obstacles and decorate it. So it's the same idea. Okay, so things that, obstacles that we have to overcome. Why is this not working? All right, maybe having learning differences, right? Overcoming learning differences, I should say. Overcoming learning differences, okay? Or maybe it's learning my accommodation. I hope I spelled that right. That's an obstacle, right? Maybe an obstacle is saving money to buy a house, right? Maybe that's hard. What are some other obstacles, right? Maybe something that I struggle with is needing more patience, right? If you're an impatient person, you want it now, you know, learning to wait, you know, delaying gratification. That's a big thing that we gotta learn. So there are a couple of examples for obstacles. Again, decorate color. You can draw pictures, okay? You don't have to put a bunch of words in there. It's your choice, however you choose to decorate it. And that is the end of this segment.